Hi, I'm Annalise.
Hi, and hi, I'm Cameron.
You are both on the media and design team this year.
Best department in Cougar Tech.
Oh yeah, definitely the best. We had 10 out of 10 fun. It was great. So if we want, we can get into some things that we make. We make these t-shirts. But this was this year's t-shirt. It never really got worn during the season because the first day of the competition we usually wear our old shirts because we have 3 days of competition. We don't want to get all smelly. So yeah.
New shirts every year, so that's good based on the game that we have to play every year.
Yeah, so this year's theme was technically it was like Star Wars-y theme. So here we have like a cloud city, and then this is you guys probably won't know. This is the Rochester cityscape from like outside the city, and then we have a Millennium Falcon right there. We have a TIE fighter. We have a Death Star. Then we have our the 2020 in the corner. This was designed by Ada Pascucci. He was our marketing director. And then on the back, we have some lightsabers, and we have BB-8.
My mom is this coming team lead.
Yeah, he's going to be our team lead this year. And I'm going to be marketing director.
Really, just leave me as the media design lead.
You are? What you are?
That's good. Well, that would leave me as the only other one.
Yeah, I would actually think you'd be pretty good at that. You should.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyways.
I mean, it's not as good as being voted for, but still.
Yeah. Back on topic. So make a bunch of buttons every year, which Cam knows a lot about. So I can show the buttons while he talks about that.
So with the buttons design, we have the film, the paper of the design of what, and depending on what the year and everything, it's different designs. Game, team, cat scratch, and the back is just two pieces of metal, and do not mess up with them.
Yeah,
they do cost a lot.
Will say that the button machine is very fragile, and some of the people this year did not.
Oh yeah.
And we've had some mishaps where it has been jammed and broken at times. It was funny, but at the same time, you got to be careful because the button machines are kind of expensive. So
yeah, we're not the type of people that would name people, so we're not gonna do that.
Yeah, but anyways, so these buttons are really fun to make during the year. We make about how much was it again?
About 2,000.
Yeah, about 2,000 buttons every year because we have to make a bunch of the game buttons, the cat scratch, our team buttons, and the drive it like you stole it buttons, which are right here. I like the drive it like you stole it buttons. My favorite. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen and show us some of the other things that we have made over the years. So I was gonna show you guys up close more the buttons. So here is our
sponsor board
t-shirt. So we have this is a Walker and then we have these lightsabers, and then these on the bottom, these are our sponsors. So you can see we have a lot of sponsors, and we always put the sponsors on our shirts because they like seeing that we put out there who's providing us with the money that we need to build the robot and to provide our stuff for medium design. And
these aren't all of our sponsors, but it's only some of them. It's not all of them. It's just the ones we can fit on the shirt, probably.
Yeah, like the ones that give us the most money usually, like on the shirt and stuff. Right, so we make these little medallions every year. They're like clay type mixtures, and this was the one that we did this year because we make like these plaques for the teams. And so this was this year's. It's BB. It's pretty much I designed this, and I made it around BB-8. Like this is like his robot.
Yeah.
And then I put a paw in the middle, and I put some scratches on the side, and like he was beat up type.
Yeah.
And we use this coloring stuff, and we color them in, and it's really fun to make. I have one. It's not of this, but I do have one of those. I can try and see if I can find some. I know I have this one, which is a dragon eye that I made this year for fun. See, so like it's a clay type back thing, and then we have uses coloring and we color it in, and then we have one of our mentors glaze them all and everything, and they end up turning out like really cool. So the next thing I want to share is this is if we did go to Detroit this year, which we didn't, or anywhere else. So we would take these lanyards with us.
Detroit or Cleveland or
And Cleveland, which we didn't make it to Cleveland and we didn't make it to Detroit because there was no competition.
well, yeah, we weren't able to go.
Yeah, because the competition got canceled. So we weren't able to go to Cleveland, and so we never won or anything. So we didn't get to go to Detroit.
Well, I mean, we did win in our minds because canceled. No.
We did get to go with Hyvet. So I mean, yeah. So when we go to Cleveland, the people who go to Cleveland, we make these lanyards, and these I made it so they look like circuits, like circuit plate. And yeah, these are like really cool designs that you do, and everybody gets one that goes to Cleveland. So next year, hopefully, when you guys are on the team, we will be able to go to Cleveland and go on our trips to RIT and Cleveland.
Something that I remember from last year was that you have to, at least for being the lead, you have to be there for about 80% of the time. Was what I've been told last year.
Yeah.
So if you become a lead, you have to be there for a large amount of the time.
All right. I think that's all I have. Yep, that's all I have for this.
And we also have the game that from Cleveland of 2 years ago.
Yeah, no. So we make these. We were gonna show you because we made bumpers. We paint our own bumpers, and also like when we're at competition, we usually have meeting design people there. So if like somebody forgets bumpers, we will make them bumpers for them. So every year we usually do that. So we can show off some of the bumpers in the game once Cam here gets it up on his computer.
Yep. The video. Yep, getting it up right.
Yes.
Now.
I don't know if you'll be able to see it. We also make sponsor boards that go on our robot.
Mm-hmm.
And so this was 2 years ago at the Power Up first competition.
And they're off. Team 22, 28.
So
And they're looking.
we're right here. And you can see the back of the robot, you can see the sponsor board that we make. We cut out pieces of this type of material, and then we make stickers that with our sponsors on them, and then
yeah,
them in. Yeah.
Right here is our sponsor board.
Yeah.
On the robot.
And then you can see our bumpers. They look so nice. We try to make it so that nothing looks bad. Because we have to paint our own bumpers. We paint on our numbers and everything like that.
Mm-hmm.
And it's so much fun to do.
Yeah, it really is.
Simultaneously place a cubit to the switch, just a couple inches short. However, Brainwave successfully does so for the Red Alliance. Blue also doing the same. 5 points for each robot past the autocross line means Blue Alliance has that 15 points.
Right, Cam. So you see, like, that every year we have like usually a theme on our competition. Mm-hmm. So for this, it was like arcade themed, and you can see how much like thought they put into like in the corners. That it's pretty much like the little
pixelized
roll thingy, like the remote control, like the box type arcade video games. And, like
the pixelized games, 8 bits and
yeah, like the pixel, and it's so fun to look at, and that it's great. This is great like stuff to do and you're there at the competition, as well as being a media and design team, because if you're on the media and designs team, you can be put on like pause, which is pit assistance with a smile, or you can be put on something that you have to do for something else.
Yep. And like we've said before, and we say the media design best team in the whole Cougar Tech.
Yeah, we're just
Even if you might not agree with it, it is. We're telling you that it is.
yeah.
Even several of the mentors would say that it is.
All right. So I think that is good enough. All right. It was nice talking to y'all. I know you guys can't really ask us questions because this is gonna be a video on the recording, but it was nice talking to you, and we'll see you hopefully next year. What do you say, Cam? Should we end the video?
Yeah. Yep.
Bye.
See you later.